The Three Little Pigs. The three little pigs have set out to build homes of their own. Little do they know, a big bad wolf is right behind them. This is a delightful version of a much-loved fairy tale. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs. They lived with their mother in a snug little house until the little pigs grew too big. "It's time you found the homes of your own," said their mother. So off they trotted on their short pink legs. Trot-titty-trot, trot-titty-trot, trot-titty-trot. "Watch out for the big bad wolf!" called their mother pig. Soon they met a man selling straw. "Straw for sale! Straw for sale!" "Oh," squealed the first pig. "May I buy some?" "I'm going to build a straw house," he announced. He set to work right away. His house had 4 straw walls, a neat straw floor, a fine straw roof, and a stylish straw door. "Isn't it grand?" said the first little pig. The others weren't so sure. They muttered and tutted, then trotted away. Soon they met a man selling sticks. "Ah," squealed the second little pig. "May I buy some?" "I'm going to build a stick house," he said proudly. "Isn't my house grand? Sticks are better than straw." The third little pig wasn't so sure. She trotted on until, "Bricks for sale! Bricks for sale!" She found some bricks. "Oh, please, may I buy some?" she asked. "I'm going to build a brick house." "Brick houses are the best of all." The next day, the big bad wolf came to the straw house. Little pig, let me in," he called. "Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin," said the first little pig. "Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in." The wolf huffed, and he puffed, and he blew the house in. The little pig ran as fast as he could to the stick house. The wolf was right behind him. Little pigs, let me in," cried the wolf. "Not by the hair on our chinny chin chins," cried the 2 little pigs. "Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in." And he huffed and he puffed until at last he blew the house in. The little pigs ran as fast as they could to the brick house. The wolf was just behind them. Little pigs, let me in." "No!" yelled the 3 little pigs. "Not by the hair on our chinny chin chins." Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in, cried the wolf. And he huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed. He huffed and he puffed until he ran out of puff. "Hehehe," laughed the three little pigs. "You can't get in." But the wolf jumped onto the roof. He slid down the chimney and landed splosh in a cooking pot. The third little pig picked up the lid, and all three slammed it on. "By the hair on our chinny chin chins," they said, "we won't be seeing that wolf again." That's the end.